Hi everyone, welcome on board to the Cat Kings NMAT Daily Series. This is Anisha here, and today's video is very important. Please make sure you star mark this video and keep, because we're talking about your NMAT syllabus. Okay, now the NMAT syllabus is on the guidelines of NMAT by GMAT's official guide, which is made by the people who conduct the exam. So definitely an authentic source for all of you guys to consider and keep in mind. Okay, so let's get started by understanding what your syllabus is. I would appreciate if all of you guys do not have a pen and paper, please go and get that right now. Keep jotting down your notes and take screenshots as well of the slide so that you remember your schedule really well. Okay, so moving further ahead, the first thing you need to keep in mind is, let's understand the paper pattern. Okay, paper pattern mein we have 3 sections, 36 questions in each section, total 108 number of questions, 120 minutes time, and score ranges of 36 to 360. Minimum score is 12. That's by default for all the sections. Okay, there is no negative marking. You cannot flag any question. You cannot toggle between questions. टॉगल मतलब एक क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो तो नेक्स्ट पे जा सकते हो, जब तक ये अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया आप नेक्स्ट पे नहीं जा सकते, नेक्स्ट पे जाके आप पीछे वापस नहीं आ सकते. ठीक है, देन इट्स एन अडेप्टिव एग्जाम. एक पूरा डिटेल वीडियो करा है ऑन हाउ द एनमैट पेपर पैटर्न अडेप्टिव इज, तो वो भी एक बार देख लेना फॉर योर रेफरेंस. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट माय सिलेबस सेक्शन वाइज. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं ऑफ द क्वांट्स एंड डीआई सेक्शन. In this, these are the various modules which are there in your official guide. Okay, first we have number properties. Number properties has all the topics of number systems, matlab decimals, fractions, cyclicity rules, all of them, factorization, HCM, LCF, HCF, LCM, clocks, calendars, logs, all of these kind of topics. Okay, second module is of arithmetic module. This is the most important module. Arithmetic module constitutes of more or less 60% of the quants and DI section. Okay, here you will have questions based on ratios, percentages, averages, what you study in the Cat Kings VPAR module, plus the arithmetic module. So we have percentages, averages, ratios, mixtures, allegations, time, speed, distance, time and work, profit and loss, interest, discount. Then we also have applications of this, like for example, pipes and cisterns, boats and stream of in the arithmetic module. Okay. Third module is called as the algebra and probability module, where we have questions based on equations, inequalities, PNC, probability, progressions, all of these topics. Okay. Last is your DI module, which is DI and DS, that is data interpretation and data sufficiency. We can have data interpretation, all types of questions, whether it's graphs, charts, tables, and caselets, and data sufficiency based questions. Okay, this is your quants ka syllabus. Okay, moving to the next section, we talk about now verbal section ka syllabus. Here, the first thing you have to keep in mind is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension passages can be of different types, which are argumentative, discursive, descriptive, analogy based. So make sure you're practicing every day at least 2 RCs so that you're able to get a hang of faster reading and faster interpretation, because verbal section mein time is a huge challenge. Okay? Then we have paraforming. Paraforming includes all types of questions of para jumbles, para summary, para completion, odd one out, which is like out of context based questions as well. Good thing you will have options here. It's not like cat, where cat mein sab kuch theta based hota hai. Okay, then we have grammar based questions of error identification, prepositions, sentence correction, sentence completion, and last we have the vocab based, which is like analogies and idioms and phrases. Direct synonyms, antonyms was not a part of the syllabus last year. Let's assume the same pattern as last year to continue further ahead as well. Okay, last we come into our reasoning section. Here we have the most essential module, which is the first 2 modules, in fact, critical reasoning and deduction based. 50% of reasoning paper is coming from these 2 modules, where we have questions of facts, inference, judgment, strengthening and weakening the argument, the conclusion, parallel the reasoning, paradox based questions, all of those critical reasoning type of questions. Then comes my deduction based questions where I have statement, assumption, conclusion, argument, course of action, all of these questions. Okay. Then comes my analytical puzzle modules. Here you have your typical logical reasoning puzzles, which could be arrangements or matrix puzzles or, any kind of scheduling puzzle, and also input output based questions, which is very peculiar to NMAT exam. The last is our miscellaneous or your other reasoning modules. Essentially, this is what is your basic logical reasoning, which comes in almost all non-cat exams, where we have syllogism, set theory, direction sense, ranking test, coding, decoding, blood relations, decision making, missing value in the series, those kind of questions. Okay? So this is what encompasses your complete NMAT syllabus. If you will see, if you're done with your NMAT ka pura syllabus, ट्रस्ट मी सारे नॉन कैट एग्जाम्स इजी हो जाएंगे. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, स्टार्ट विद एनमैट प्रिपरेशन टुडे इफ यू हैव नॉट येट स्टार्टेड. चुप करके सबसे पहले अपना कैटकिंग के डैशबोर्ड से कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डर वीडियोस करना, एवरीडे लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करना. This Saturday, 31st July onwards, I'm starting my NMAT strategy sessions with you guys. So I will meet you all every Saturday and we will cover up all of these interesting topics, especially your critical reasoning, deduction based, input, output, and all of these things. All right. So please make sure you guys are not waiting and don't think it is too late as of now. You can start right now as well. I'll make sure next 100 days you will be able to crack NMAT. Okay. All you need to do is to make sure you get into NMIMS Mumbai is step one, attend everyday classes, watch the concept builder videos. Second, solve the Cat King Bible LOD1 books and the Cat King NMAT Maximizer books. Then watch all the NMAT official guide solved video lessons on your dashboard. Then you will make sure you are attending all my NMAT Saturday sessions. In fact, I will be bringing you guys and making you all meet even all the other NMAT toppers of respective sections. Secondly, make sure you do not skip any of my NMAT daily video series as well. And you will have mock tests, a combination of adaptive and non-adaptive mock tests to get practice and get a hang of your entire preparation is what is going to take care of making sure you guys are doing everything well. And last, to maximize your scores, there are special shortcut videos for NMAT, especially for your logical reasoning topics, because we have a lot of difference as compared to CAT. So people, if you're already preparing for CAT with other institutes, then you should definitely get started with NMAT prep here, because you need to study the delta. If you see the syllabus, there's a lot of difference in verbal and logical reasoning. So get set, go on the same. Check out the link in the descriptions. And if you guys have any doubts, any questions, drop in the comments with respect to syllabus, paper pattern, cutoffs, anything. I will be there to guide you guys. All right. Bye-bye. Take care.